Hey there, greetings from Northeast Florida along the beautiful shores of the Intercoastal Waterway. We just got back from the Keys, a lovely trip we had with our daughter and son-in-law. We didn't plan on doing a video of the Keys, but we just saw so much beautiful scenery and we got some good images, so we decided we just had to share some of it with you.
You'll notice that we also have a new rig, and we will be detailing that rig in an upcoming video.
We thoroughly enjoyed our stay at Bluewater Key RV Resort. We had a site directly on the water and could snorkel right off the dock. Here's the line to get your picture taken at the southernmost point of continental United States. There we are.
One thing that's been on our bucket list for some time has been a visit to Fort Jefferson National Park in the Dry Tortugas, and we were able to accomplish that. We took the ferry over. There's also a seaplane option, and you can check out their website to get more details.
We had a great time on the ferry, and we do highly recommend it.
Barbie and I are here at Fort Jefferson in the Dry Tortugas National Park. It is a stunning location. The fort itself encompasses 8 acres, and the reason they call it the Dry Tortugas, there is no natural water here, but the salt water surrounding the fort is absolutely fabulous, teeming with fish and other wildlife.
So we hope you enjoyed this short trip to the Keys, and as we always say,
Make the best of every day.
thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.
Bye for now.